Well, hey there, I'm Ciara, and I'm here to give you a quick intro into advanced manufacturing in Sin 7 Core. We've got some pretty awesome businesses using these features. Everything from a dairy farm in the UK making delicious ice cream, to a company in Tennessee hand pouring candles into reusable whiskey glasses. There are folks who are making great flavored water in eco-friendly cartons, and a fair number of folks who are making potato chips, which frequently end up in my pantry. So what do they all have in common? They're all using Sin 7 Core's advanced manufacturing to stay organized and to help keep production running smoothly. This means that they're managing their bill of materials or their recipes or their build sheets. They're making sure that they've got the raw materials that they need when they need them. They're auto-generating their purchase orders based on supplier lead times, which means no more sticky notes, no more missed reorders, and they're keeping their production schedules on track, having the right people and the right machines available when they need them. And here's the best part, is that this is all happening in one connected system. So their inventory, their purchasing, their sales orders, whether they're selling B2B, D2C, or both, their e-commerce channels like Shopify, Amazon, and Walmart, their accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, it all just works together. And really that's the key, it just works. So there's no more disconnected systems, no more double entry, and a lot fewer spreadsheets. I understand that every business is a little bit different, but if any of this sounds familiar to you, I encourage you to head to our website and check out if advanced manufacturing is a good fit for you. So we've got a number of resources, customer stories, and even feature breakdowns waiting for you at sin7.com. Thanks so much. Have a good one.